is a Dodge. Don't have many of them. I wonder if it's because they weren't kept care of as much, or if they deteriorated more. Maybe they were more expensive. Anybody know why there ain't many Dodges, at least in Oregon? Put it down in the comment section down below and let me know. Hey, this is Cherry City Bombers of Salem, Oregon. That's different too. That's the first Bombers that we got. Ooh, is that a shrunken head? Can't tell. 1960 Dodge. Check that engine out. If you want to get a first close hand of any of the vehicles that you have seen in here right now, stop by the Oregon State Fair 2021 and check out what's on hand.